If you would like to customize your calendar object, you can select your calendar and click on the little arrow at the top right hand corner. Over here you'll be able to select specific styles and you can change the look and feel of your calendar. Today we will focus on the post back that occurs when we click on a button. We normally work with two properties of the calendar object. The first one is today's date. This is normally a grey block, and the second one is the selected date, the one that the user selects. So when the page loads, we are going to set today's date of the calendar to the date of today, and we will also set the selected date to today's date. I made this video on the 13th of April, therefore the 13th is selected at the moment, but you'll see the moment when the user clicks on button schedule, the selected date that the user has selected disappears and it resets back to today's date. I'm going to demonstrate this using .add days. We will add 3 days to the selected date. So let's look at this problem again. When the page loads, the today's date, which is the grey block, is the 13th of April, and the selected date is 3 days after, which is the 16th. When the user makes a selection other than the 16th and proceeds to click on button schedule, the selected date is reset to the 16th every time. This means the user can select as many dates as he wants, but the moment he clicks on a button, this date will be reset. We can use the page.IsPostBack property to check whether the page has been posted back. So if we say if not page.IsPostBack, it means that we are checking whether the page has not been posted back. In other words, this code will only execute if it's the first time that this page is loading. So if we look at this code again, if the user selects 15, it will now load the page, but it will check whether it's a post back or not. If it's not a post back, then the date should be reset. But this was a post back and therefore the user selection was kept.